Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate profit. Are you losing money? Dear affiliate, I have bad news for you. You are probably losing money and you didn't pay attention to it. Let me explain. When you joined affiliate programs, you probably considered the following factors: the commission, the conversion rate. The profit formula looks like a child play. Commission x conversion rate equals your profit. In fact, there are three big pitfalls here, and if you don't manage them properly, your profit is at risk. Let's consider them. Price. A high price means a higher affiliate commission for every sale, but it may result also in a lower conversion ratio if the product is too expensive. Nobody will buy. You shouldn't be blinded by the promise of a very high commission. You should keep in mind that the best price is not the one that gives you the highest commission, but the one that makes the highest profit. And optimized pricing that makes satisfied customers and satisfied affiliates is what you should look for. Refund rate. Refunds can kill your marketing efforts. What are worth the sales you see in your account if customers request their money back? A lot of sales mean nothing unless you keep the money. This is the whole responsibility of the merchant to keep refunds as low as possible. A site that sells well is good. A site that also keeps refunds very low is much better. There is only one way to keep refunds very low: to deliver very high quality services meeting customers' expectations or going beyond what they could expect. Product quality. Quality is king. Quality makes superior conversion rates. Quality enables higher prices and better commissions. Quality keeps refunds as low as possible. In a word, quality should be your compass. Don't associate your business with low-quality products or services. On the top of your list, promote only the very best. It will also keep your profit on top. How much money are you losing today? The money you earn and lose is significantly determined by the quality of the affiliate program you have selected as your top pick. The question is, how do you measure what is more qualitative and what is less? Click links below to learn more. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. Kakashi